Bring the soles of your feet together. And then move the feet away so you have a nice diamond shape formed by the legs. And now to your own degree, allow yourself to fold forward, rounding the spine, allowing the head to drop down towards the heels. So the floor is the direction we're moving, but we never actually have to hit the floor. The floor is not the destination, it's the direction. Now, as always, the three principles of the Yin style of yoga apply. We come to our first edge, the place where we naturally stop. Now, we could probably pull ourselves deeper, but that's not the point. Just come to where you naturally stop. And then become still. And then we remain here for a while. Now, if you're fairly tight in the hamstrings and the spine and you can't fold forward, then add some height underneath your sit bones. Sitting up a bit higher will help to tilt you a bit more so gravity can draw you down. If butterfly feels really uncomfortable for the inner knees, perhaps you have a medial collateral ligament problem or a medial meniscus injury, you can put some support underneath that knee. Some people like support underneath both legs. And they find even though this prevents them from going deeper into the pose, it does allow the muscles to relax and you can stay longer. And the idea in Yin is to be able to linger longer in a pose, not to be as deep as possible. So in other words, time is more important than intensity. Some people find this a bit too much on the neck. They can rest their head onto a bolster or rest their head into their hands. Some people who are track 3, who have their knees on the floor, they hinge completely from the hips and their spine is quite straight as they come down. These people may prefer to have a bolster on top of the thighs, which allows the spine more encouragement to round. The spine really is rounding here, head towards the heels. But once you've done all those modifications, we become still and we wait. And with time, the body kind of releases. You can feel kind of a softening, a letting go. So in this way, you're invited to go to the next stopping point, your next edge. So we never force it. We allow the body to melt down.